In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to break a line in Affinity Designer. If you've ever needed to split a shape's outline to create an opening, separate a path into segments, or prepare parts of a logo for different styling, this is a quick and reliable workflow you can use. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer and loading the document that contains the shape or line you want to edit. It helps to have the layers panel visible so you can see exactly what you've selected. Before you begin, consider saving a copy of your file. That way, if you want to go back to the original parametric shape later, you'll have it ready. Next, right-click on the shape on your canvas. If you can't right-click, a two-finger click on a trackpad or a control click works the same. Make sure you're clicking the actual object and not an empty area. If the shape is part of a group, select the individual object in the Layers panel first so you're targeting the correct element. From the context menu, click Convert to Curves. This is an important step because many shapes in Affinity Designer start as parametric objects, which are great for quick adjustments but don't expose individual nodes. Converting to curves turns the shape into an editable path with nodes and handles. Note that once it's converted, you won't be able to use the original shape-specific sliders, so keep that earlier copy if you think you'll need them. Now, select the curve you want to work on. In the Layers panel, it will typically be labeled as a curve layer after conversion. Visually confirm the selection on the canvas. It's a good idea to zoom into the area where you plan to make the break so you can place edits precisely. If your goal is to break the line at a particular corner or point, make sure that node is clearly visible and selected. With the curve selected, look to the top context toolbar and click the Break Curve icon. This command splits the path at the selected node, creating two separate endpoints at that location. You'll notice the stroke no longer forms a continuous loop at that point. If you gently drag one of the nodes, you'll see the gap, confirming the break was successful. From here, you can adjust each end independently, fine-tune the gap size, or style segments differently, depending on your design needs. And that's it. Open your file, right-click the shape, convert it to curves, select the curve, and use the Break Curve icon. Keep an eye on your selection, zoom in for precision, and save versions as you go for a smooth, non-destructive workflow.